you ever wonder where your salary disappears just days after it hits your account? You tell yourself, I will manage better next month, right? But somehow by the end of every month, you're back to square one. Well, you're not alone, and today let's talk about the art of saving money and more importantly, whether you're doing it right in this video. So, hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, let's get into the video. So we all love the comfort of seeing money in our bank account, but here's the catch. Your bank gives you what, around 3% interest? Sounds okay, right? But wait, inflation in India is around 5 to 6%. That means even though your account balance looks the same, its value is actually going down. So if you have 1 lakh rupees today, next year it will be worth only 95,000 in terms of what it can buy. Scary, isn't it? The money you think you're saving is actually shrinking quietly every day. So now you might think, okay, I will go for an FD that's safer. Sure, FDs give around 6.5 to 7% interest, but let's do the math. Say you invest 5 lakhs at 7% interest. You earn 35,000 rupees a year, which sounds decent until TDS steps in. After the 10% tax cut, you're left with 31,500 rupees. And if you fall under a higher income tax slab, that amount shrinks even further. So effectively, your real return is about 5.4%. Now here's the question. If you invest 5 lakhs today and it becomes 13 lakhs after 20 years, will that really be enough for your child's college or marriage by then? You see the problem now? So what about chit funds or gold? Chit funds might promise 12% returns, but in the last 3 years alone, 15 chit fund companies shut down in Chennai, wiping out people's hard-earned money. And gold, it feels safe, but remember, making charges, wastage and selling loss can eat up to 20% of your value. So even though gold looks beautiful in your locker, it doesn't grow much in your portfolio. Now you might ask, is it too late for me to start saving money seriously? Absolutely not. Let's see. Start in your 30s if you start investing 8,000 rupees per month, and in 20 years you could build a 25 lakh corpus, enough to handle your kids' education or their big milestones. In your 40s, you might still be juggling that home loan. Your window to save for retirement is narrowing. If you don't plan now, your 60s could look a lot tougher than you think. In your 50s, don't lose hope. You still have 10 working years, but please don't just park your money in FDs that won't cut it. This is where mutual funds come to your rescue. So let's compare. If you supposedly invest fixed deposit and in mutual fund 5 lakh rupees each in a time period of 20 years, fixed deposit would give you an expected corpus of 13 lakhs 50,000, while mutual fund would give you more than 40 lakhs. So same money, same time, but almost 3x the growth. How? Because mutual funds diversify your money across 50 plus companies. Even if one company fails, others keep your investment protected. That's lower risk with higher returns. Now tell me honestly, why keep your money idle when it can work harder for you? What is the final takeaway then? Saving isn't about locking money away, it's about growing it smartly. Stop settling for safety that silently cost you your future. Start early, stay consistent, and let your money do the heavy lifting. So, are you ready to master the art of saving money the right way? If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and tell me in the comments below what's your biggest struggle when it comes to saving money.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.